Yo, what's good? It's your boy John. 5, 4, 3. So, if you the title from the video, we're looking at what's in my fridge. We're gonna look what's in there, and I'm also cleaning at the same time because it's been a minute since I cleaned the fridge. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. Put you guys right here. Boom, boom. Alright, we're gonna start with the actual fridge. Not the freezer part, the fridge. Open this up. Oh yeah. So we got Jamba Juice that we had a while back. Gotta throw that away. And this garbage needs to go out today. So that's why we're doing this video. Yeah, it's pretty full. Don't judge. No. Oh, there we go. Yep, right, there's that. Got this Panda Express that we're gonna recycle too. Oh, we got fortune cookies. Yeah. Throw this away. I don't know. We got Panda Express on the 4th of July. Then we had it the next day. And then, yeah. It hurt for about a week. I'm just now feeling a lot better from that. Whew. Oh yeah, these are fire. I got this the other day. Little Japanese drink, little boom, boom, drink. Yeah. Alright, we got some white rice. Got this mole. I gotta throw away because it's been here for a little too long. No, that's not long. It's been in here a little long. Still smells good though, I ain't gonna lie. No! You're gonna see your boy struggling right now. Huh? Alright. That's gonna be it. I'm pretty sure that's all I got stuff in this fridge. So now we're gonna wrap this shoe up. Fucking Jamba Juice. Freaking Jamba Juice, my bad. Cussing, too much cussing. Oh yeah. Got some Zoas. Always gotta have Zoas on you. Vanilla ice. Oh no, not ice cream. Yogurt, vanilla yogurt. It's my ladies. You know what I'm saying? Coffee creamer. This probably has to get thrown away. No, actually, it's good till next year. Oh yeah. Got the French vanilla creamer. That's my ladies. Got the jelly. What else we got? Oh. Yeah, look how separated this. Ugh. Throw that away. That was like the extra when you get the PB Mood with the whey, and it has a little extra in it, so they put it on the side for us. Got milk, eggs, got onions, carrots, lemons. Got broccoli down here, strawberries, grapes, tomatoes, tortillas. Always gotta have tortillas for Mexican. Yeah, like I said, we are Mexicans. Gotta have tortillas always. Cheese. That's a thing of water. Put that out. I got Glizzies. Some more Mexican cheese, taco sauce. You always gotta have taco sauce on it. Some ketchup. Valentina's. This is my ladies. She grabbed it a while back and still has not drank it yet. I'm not throwing her under the bus. Maybe just a little. But that's okay. Now, that's basically the fridge. Now let's go to the freezer. Alright. What we got? So we got paletas right here. I know a place where they're $1. So we always get a shit ton of them. These are fire. These mini tacos. Actually, they're not that fire. They're all right. Get some ground beef, chicken thighs, more ground beef. That's that 88-12 ratio from Costco, and it's fire. I think it's a really good ratio. 88-12. It's not too lean. It's not too fatty. It's just like perfect. Got some this whole bag was like $5 from Costco. But what's fire in here? These quesadillas. These are actually fire. Like real fire. I had to get them again, and they're like a frozen snack. Got some corn, Totino's, nuggets, cookie dough, ice cream that still has not been touched. We've had this for like a couple months, like 2 months now. It's got ice back there. Ice packs in the freezer too. Oh yeah. That's basically what's in the fridge. So, if you liked the video, thank you. If you didn't, my bad. It's Bully Jonah 503. Subscribe if you're new, and we are out. Peace.